Hello, today it's March 30 and we are back to talk with about the Forex market and give you some insights on how to use technical analysis to create strategy to analyze the price movements and create strategies for investment and trading. Those videos are not intended to be a buy or sell recommendation. The idea here is to bring you examples on how to use technical analysis and to help you make a decision if technical analysis might be good for you and help you decide if you want to learn more or if you want to read more or if that's not simply not for you. So let's move to meta stock, and I'm going to talk first about the euro US dollar pair. I've been following with you all that upwards movement, and the last videos I presented, I said that my expectation was for the market to move sideways for a while, for a few weeks, and that's indeed happening. I mentioned that when we could not break into new highs here, and that's a strong resistance region, that when we could not go into new highs, we would most likely trade lower, find support around that region. That's what indeed happened, and then trade sideways. So that's what the market is doing. So if you can use technical analysis to evaluate the most likely outcome for the price movements, you can use that analysis to decide which trading or investing strategy will be better for the market situation. So with that in mind, the best trading strategies are the trading strategies that work on a sideways market. Trend following strategies do not work when the market is sideways. So right now what's working is what can be done. So we need to approach trading or investing on a how can I say, a responsive manner. You need to respond to what the market is telling you. The market is not going to do something just because you said, or because an indicator said, or because that's what you believe the market is. No, the market is going to do whatever it has to do. And no matter what we try to do to make the market go other way, it doesn't work. So we need to figure out what the market will most likely do and decide which trading strategies to use. So that said, we can move to a intraday chart, for example, and take a look on the shorter term movements and see what the market has been doing. Well, while the chart loads here, my internet becomes very slow when I'm broadcasting the video. Let's take a look on the US dollar Canadian pair, and here we have a clear downtrend, and I was mentioning last week that my expectation was for the market trade lower and maybe move sideways when reaching that region, and if we break lower, we will then find support at that downward trend line here. So that's what the Canadian dollar US dollar pair it's doing. US dollar it's falling and losing value against the Canadian dollar. That's what normally happens during that time of the year. April, May, June, that's what usually happens. And so trend following strategies here do work. And the Japanese yen also, what happened was that the Japanese yen traded lower. The US dollar traded lower after the tsunami. And I said that the central banks were trying to hold the Japanese currency, and it was still to be seen that they would be successful. We cannot say that they have been successful, but indeed the Japanese yen it's falling, and at least as compared to the US dollar. And now we should be trading higher until 84 region, $84 region. So that's what I expect for the short term. And I mentioned that if we had a close above that support line here, my expectation would be for the market to trade higher until the top of that sideways region. We might find some resistance here, but I still believe we can go as high as $84. Let's see if we have the intraday data. Yes, so when we have that type of sideways movement like we have been having since the test of the top, we came down, up, that's the type of movements that we need to trade using systems that will work on sideways markets, and systems that use trend following strategies do not work very well here. It's better to use systems that follow oscillators, for example. So we mentioned that during our training courses, and we also show typical trading systems that can use as basis to develop your own trade system. So that's what I had to present you. I would like to thank you all that have been watching me on those daily videos, those daily presentations. It's a pleasure for me to come here every day and talk about technical analysis and about the market, something that I really love to do, and it's really a pleasure. Thank you very much.